Hi guys, I came here from New York. My name is Guy Balancia. I feel terrific. I've lost 100 pounds over the last 3 years thanks to Hippocrates.
I'm Kerstin Winter. I come from Germany.
Hi, my name is Rachel. This is my 3rd week at Hippocrates.
My name is Artie Barnish. This is my 3rd or 4th, at least, visit to Hippocrates.
It's nice to be here, to be able to learn about nutrition and really be blessed to be in a place where I feel safe and I'm healing at the same time.
I'm not really about this virus, but I know that it's really good to have a high immune system, and that's why I stay here.
And I just want to say that I feel great being here, and with all the craziness that's going on right now in the world.
With this whole coronavirus, it's very important to be healthy right now.
Stress is really important to me, and taking care of that and taking care of my mind, body, and spirit is what I can do here.
I feel safe as I ever felt anywhere before, being right here.
That's why I'm here. I feel so safe in the world because when I'm here and get treatments, I'm going to be all right out there. I'm going to be better than all right. I'm going to eat better than I've ever. My skin's going to be better. My life will just be